Are you ready to ace your forthcoming interview? To respond effectively to the questions asked by the interviewer is very important. It is the most imperative point. Being evaluated and judged by people who have your future in their hands is really nerve-wracking. Interviewers would tell you in an interview that you should be calm and composed because there are no rights or wrongs to certain questions. But let me tell you this, that they are looking out for specific answers to specific questions. So here's where Ranju Gobel's acing interview session will help you if you are a fresher or if you are looking for a job change in the corporate. You should definitely attend the webinar which I'm conducting. This life-changing webinar will have two parts. The first part will be covered in January. You can book your session in the month of January. And the second part will be covered in February. Having imparted communication skills, English training and leadership training to myriad companies, I decided that I need to curate specific customized modules for the working force so that they can ace their interview sessions, they can do well in their careers, and they cast an indelible mark in their career. So keep on learning from Ranju Gobel e-learning. Click on the link below.